was a dark night with a bright idea.
Guys, we need something big.
Let's take on the D segment.
Let's create the big daddy of all SUVs because nothing else will do.
I hear he's quite a head turner.
I know.
Tell me about it.
The only question was, how big is big enough?
Daddy's so big, even the big will feel small.
I hear he's from the future.
That high tech.
You know what they say about Daddy?
What?
Daddy is fast, even in slow motion.
But wait, who is the big daddy of SUVs? You'll soon find out, and so will the D segment. The big daddy of SUVs from Mahindra, coming soon.